Julie Chrisley has officially been resentenced in her fraud and tax evasion case. On Wednesday, September 25th, the Chrisley Knows best alum appeared before a judge at the United States District Court for the Northern District of Georgia in downtown Atlanta. She was resentenced to the same 84 months of prison she previously received, as the judge ruled that her original punishment was sufficient. Her eldest children, Savannah Chrisley and Chase Chrisley, were also present for the hearing. Before receiving her ruling, Julie, who appeared unrecognizable as she donned brown hair, addressed the court through tears. She apologized for her actions and for the actions that led her to this day. She also apologized to her family and her children for what they've battled in the aftermath of the legal matter. "I would like to say I've had years to think about what I've wanted to say, and I'm sorry for my actions and situations that led us to where we are today," Julie said before the court. "I've had 20 months in prison, but it has been much more leading up to the trial, and I apologize for my actions that led to where we are today. I have done everything I can do to get closer to my family. I've taken tests for new skills, such as driving a forklift and serving food in proper ways. This has been the most difficult part of my life. I can't ever repay my children for what they've had to go through, and for that, I am so sorry," she added. We reached out to the Chrisley family's representative and attorney for comment. Julie was previously sentenced in November 2022 to 7 years, while her 55-year-old husband, Todd Chrisley, received a 12-year sentence for fraud and tax evasion. Despite beginning the process of appealing their case that December, they reported to their respective prisons in January 2023. Following their April 2024 appeal hearing, a judge granted Julie's appeal and vacated her 7-year sentence in June due to insufficient evidence. However, Todd's sentence was upheld. "We're pleased that the court agreed that Julie's sentence was improper, but we're obviously disappointed that it rejected Todd's appeal," the Chrisley's attorney Alex Little told People in a statement. "With this step behind us, we can now challenge the couple's convictions based on the illegal search that started the case," Little added. The family appreciates the continued support they've received throughout this process, and they're hopeful for more good news in the future. Julie had remained at the Federal Medical Center Lexington in Kentucky. However, days before her resentencing hearing, she was not in the Federal Bureau of Prisons custody, according to the Federal Bureau of Prisons website.